Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we'll discuss about some examples of LR0 parser. Okay, see. Verify the grammar is LL1 or not. Verify the grammar is LL1 or not. And also we'll check verify the grammar is LR0 or not. Means here we will verify the given grammar. We'll verify the given grammar is LL1 or not, or we'll also verify the given grammar is LR0 or not. First, we'll verify the grammar is LL1 or not. See, S contains, see here, S contains single production. S contains only single production. So S2, again I am writing here, S2, AAB, A2, A class epsilon. Okay, see. S contains single production, so S2AB is LL1. So first one is LL1. Now we'll check the second one. Since it contains epsilon, since it contains epsilon, means we have already discussed about a grammar is LL1 or not in the previous classes. If A2 alpha slash epsilon, if a production is like this, in this case we will find out what first of alpha, intersection follow of A, intersection follow of A. If first of alpha intersection follow of A equals to 5, then this grammar is LL1. Okay, we have already discussed about this in the previous classes. So here we'll find out what first of this one. So first of this one is nothing but what A contains, since first of A contains epsilon, then we'll go to the next. First remove the epsilon, then go to the next, means what first of A, what first of A intersection follow of A. First of A is nothing but it is A, intersection follow of A. Here follow of A means there is something on the right side of A, there is something on the right side of A means first B, then here one more A is there, then there is something on the right side of A, so it is nothing but A. So A intersection BA is equal to A, means it does not equal to 5. Since it does not equal to 5, so this grammar is LL1. This grammar is this grammar is not LL1. So this grammar is not LL1. Okay. Now we'll check this grammar is LR0 or not. Now we'll check this grammar is LR0 or not. Okay. See. First, we have to convert this grammar into augmented grammar. Augmented grammar means what? S prime to S, then S to A, B, then A to A, then A to epsilon. Okay, see. S prime to dot S. Now we'll find out the closure of S. So S2 dot A, B. Now we'll find out the closure of S. So there is no closure. Okay. So this is one state. Now here this is S. So S prime to S dot. This is one state. Then here we'll scan small a, then S2 A dot A, B. Now we'll find the closure of A. So see A2 dot A, then A2 dot epsilon. Okay. Now here we'll scan again A, what S2 A dot B. Here we'll scan, sorry, one more is there. So A to A dot A. Here again we'll scan B A. A to A B dot. Then here we'll scan again what? A to A dot. Now it is completed. Now it is completed. So this one is I0 state, this one I1 state, I2, I3, I4, I5. Now we'll check, is there any SR conflict or RR conflict is there? See, this is one reduced action, but there is no shift action. There is no shift action. So there is no SR conflict in I2 state. See, there is no SR or RR conflict in any state. So there is no SR or RR conflict. There is no SR or RR conflict. Okay. So this grammar is LR 0. Okay. So this grammar, since the grammar is LR 0, this grammar is also unambiguous. Unambiguous grammar. Okay. So finally, this grammar is finally this grammar is not LL1 but LR 0. Right. Now we'll check one more question. Now we'll check one more. Next question, verify the grammar is LL1 or not, and verify the grammar is LR0 or not. One more question now we'll verify. This is one grammar. This is one grammar. Verify the grammar is LL1 or not. First we'll verify the grammar. So S2 AA AB class BB BA A2 epsilon B2 epsilon. Let's see. This is single production grammar. So A to epsilon single production grammar LL1, B to epsilon single production grammar LL1. A starts two productions. Since A starts two productions, so now we'll find out what? First of this one, and first of this one. So first of A B, then we'll find out first of B. Okay, so first of this one is A. First of A means what? First of A means epsilon. Then we'll go to the next, means what? A. And first of this one means what? B. So A intersection B equals to 5. Since A intersection B equals to 5, so this grammar, this production is also LL1. So finally, this grammar is LL1. Finally, this grammar is LL1. Now we'll find out. What LR0. Now we'll check for LR0. First, we have to convert this grammar into. What? Augmented grammar. What? S prime to S to A B, S to B A, then A to epsilon, B to epsilon. See, S prime to dot S. Then we will find out the closure of S. So S2 dot A A A B. Then S2 dot B B B A. Then we will find the closure of A and closure of B also. So A2 dot epsilon B2 dot epsilon. Okay. So here it will scan S. So S prime to S dot. And here it will scan A, means what? S2 A dot A B. Here it will scan B, means S2 B dot B B A. Okay. So now we just make number. This is I0, I1, I2, I3. So see. Now it will scan A, S2 A dot A B. So then we'll find out the closure of A2 dot epsilon. Then here it will scan B, S2 B B dot B A. Now we'll find the closure of V. So B2 dot epsilon. I2, I3. So it is I4, it is I5. Now here it will scan A. So S2 A dot B. Then here it will scan B, S2 B B B dot A. Okay. So this is I6, this is I7. Here it will scan small b, S2 A B dot. This is I8. This is a S2 B B B A dot. This is I9. Let's see. Now we'll check, is there any SR or RR conflict or not. So see, I0 state contains, this one is a reduction state, this one is also a reduced section. So I0 contains what? RR conflict. I0 contains RR conflict. Okay. And there is no conflict in I4, there is no conflict in I5, and okay, there is no conflict in other states. Okay. So finally I0 contains what? RR conflict. Since it contains RR conflict, so this grammar is not, but it's not LR0. Okay. Remember this one, this thing, this grammar is not LR0, but it is LL1. This grammar is not LR0, but it is LL1. Just see the previous question. Just see the previous question. Just see the previous grammar. Let's see the previous grammar. This grammar is what? Not LL1, LR0. This grammar, just observe what we observe from both questions. This is just observation. This grammar is not LL1 and LR0, the first grammar. Okay, just see the next grammar. But see the next grammar. This grammar is LL1. This grammar is LL1, but not LR0. But not. This is the reverse of this grammar. Okay. So what is the actual theory? What is the actual theory? The actual theory is, see, this is the actual theory. If a grammar, every top-down parsing is bottom-up parsing. Every top-down parsing is bottom-up parsing. Means first grammar, the first grammar is LR0, but not LL1. The second grammar is not LR0, but it is LL1. First grammar is LR0 but not LL1. The second grammar is LL1 but not LR0. Just see the observation. Every top-down parsing is bottom-up parsing. Top-down parsing means LL1. Top-down parsing means LL1. So every LL1 grammar is LR0, but every LR0 grammar need not be LL1. Okay, this is the actual theory. This is the actual theory. So if a grammar is LR0, it may or may not be LL1. It's true. The first concept is true. The first concept is true. But in case, second case, grammar is LL1. Every LL1 grammar must be LR0 grammar. Every LL1 grammar must be LR0 grammar. Means if a grammar is LL1, it must be LR0. But in the second case, it contradicts. So the second case, since the second case contradicts, so it is meaningless. It is meaningless. Why it happened? Why it happens? This is the very important question. See, every LL1 grammar is a bottom-up parsing. Every LL1 grammar is a bottom-up parsing, but in this case, LL1 grammar is not LR0, so that it is meaningless. Why it happened? Just see. Why it happens? In LR0, 0 means what? 0 means no look ahead. 0 means no look ahead. Why it happens? 0 means in LR0, there is no look ahead concept is there. Since there is no look ahead concept, we blindly place or reduce actions in all action steps. We blindly place reduce actions in all action steps. That's why it happens. So in LR0, 0 indicates no look ahead, no look ahead concept. It's used while placing reduce actions, in LR0 parsing table. So this may lead to unnecessary reduce actions in the parsing table. Okay. So in case of LR0 parsing table, we place all reduce actions blindly, means on all action steps. That's why it happens. Because 0 means what? There is no look ahead. Okay. So to avoid this drawback, we'll construct SLR1. SLR1 parsing table is constructed. SLR1 means what? SLR1 means what? Simple LR1. Simple LR1. Simple LR1 means what? Here 1 means look ahead symbol. This parsing table has look ahead symbol. means the reduced action will place based on some condition, but here there is no condition. Here there is no condition. Means reduced action will place on all action steps. Okay, so that's why it happens. So in the next class we'll discuss about the SLR1 or simple LR1. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.